In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that location is off. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down to tap on Location section, and use this switcher to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!